In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Firefox settings between computers so your bookmarks, passwords, history, tabs, and preferences can follow you wherever you sign in. This is a simple way to keep your browser consistent across devices, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you'll find all of the browser's important settings and features. From here, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for the Account and Sync section and click it. This is where Firefox manages your sign-in and synchronization options. After that, scroll down until you find the Sync section. If Firefox asks you to sign in, log in with your Firefox account first. This step is important because syncing only works when you're connected to the same Firefox account on each computer you want to use. After signing in, click Sync Now. Firefox will begin syncing your data across devices, so the settings and information you choose will start matching on both computers. Once that finishes, you're all set. Your Firefox settings should now be syncing between computers, making it much easier to pick up where you left off on any device. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.